Upon checking Zara's terms and conditions, there's no way on how to apply any promo codes for their items. So here in this website, in the help center, we will see this, the frequently asked question, can I apply a discount code to my purchase? And the answer is, at Zara, they don't have any discount codes. Subscribe to their newsletter to stay up to date on all platforms or promotions. So basically, all of those third-party websites are fake. So in order to catch up with them for the deep discounts you want, make sure to subscribe to their newsletter. And I will teach you that. So just go to the official website, zara.com, and then scroll down to the very bottom, and you will see the sign up for our newsletter link. Click on it, and then here, enter your email address here. And then click I accept the privacy policy. For the departments, you can check multiple boxes here if you want to have updates in the woman department, man department, and so on. And then for the collections, you can check whatever you like here, and then click subscribe. Just click this accept button, and you're good to go.